Today we are going to look at some trick words. We practice trick words almost daily in our classrooms. Trick words are words that are tricky. That means that there are sounds that are different than what we expect, or maybe there are sounds that we haven't yet learned. When we teach trick words in the classroom, we build the words and spell the words and use the words in a sentence. Then we practice the words every day. These trick words are from Unit 2 in our Level 1 Foundations program. In a couple of weeks, we'll get to our Unit 3 words. Let's take a look. The. Say it with me. The. Let's spell it. T-H-E. The. Say it with me. Let's spell it. A. And. Say it with me. And. Let's spell it. A-N-D. And. Is. Say it with me. Is. Let's spell it. I-S. His. Say it with me. His. Let's spell it. H-I-S. Of. Say it with me. Of. Let's spell it. O-F. You can use these slides to practice these trick words with your children at home. Or you can put these trick words on index cards and have them practice on their own. Let's go back to the top and practice one more time. I'm going to show the word and you tell me what it is. The. A. And. Is. His. Of. Good job. Happy practicing.